YouTube family. What is going on with everyone, man? It is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at y'all today with yet another unboxing video, y'all. Woo! These shoes here are a shoe that released back in 2018, sold out instantly, man, and very dope in my opinion. These are not no Jordans. They are a part of the Nike brand, you know what I'm saying, but they aren't no Jordans, you know. We're about to get into that, but before we do that, y'all, if this is your first time stopping through, checking out any of the family's content, and y'all are enjoying anything that y'all are seeing, man, go ahead and join the family, y'all, by hitting that subscribe button, y'all, because it would be greatly appreciated, number one. And number two, man, we are on the grind over here, man. Thank you. Big shout out to everyone that has joined the family recently, man. We have recently surpassed 17K, which is that's major, man. That's, like I said, bro, I can't, I'm still just in shock by the growth of the channel, man. So I thank each and every one of you guys for supporting, man. Y'all only push me to go harder, man. I appreciate it, y'all. If it wasn't for y'all, my videos wouldn't continue to be getting better, and you know, just so on and so forth, man. So I thank each and every one of you for the feedback, positivity. Go ahead and smack that like button for your boy, man. And yeah, man, as I say, I'm gonna keep these videos coming to y'all, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and check out what we got today, man. Let's do it. Bang! Your boy got another, yeah, y'all can't really see my address, but yeah, your boy got another package from GOAT, man. I've been going GOAT crazy, man. I posted up on my IG story the other day that this is an expensive virus, meaning that bruh, I ain't been doing nothing but dropping bread on shoes that I missed out on. I've been going resale crazy, which I need to slow down, man, because I always said I'm not too really big on the resale end as far as with the apps, because you know, you could be getting fake product from either app, anywhere. You can get fake product from anywhere. If you're not buying it directly from the store, it's a possibility that can be fake, but it's a risk that I've been taking, and I kind of need to chill, man. But speaking of that, man, I do have a video, man, that's along those lines, man. I had a member of the family hit me up, man, and they was like, hey, I want to open up eyes to a lot of people with a situation they had concerning one of the apps. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do some research on what he sent me, and then that video will be coming out. So stay tuned for that, y'all. But enough of the talking, y'all. Let's go ahead and let me put on some gloves first, man. As I always say, I drench these boxes down before they come in my house. That's why I'm holding this barehanded, no gloves. But let me put on some gloves now as I dive inside the box, y'all. 1 second. Alright, your boy got them gloves on, man. I'm looking like a somebody that work at them beauty salons and stuff, you know, even a barbershop, you know, they be having them black gloves on. I might got this on backwards because it's fitting kind of weird, but anyway, we got the gloves on. Go ahead and dive into it, check them out, see what we got. Hope everybody having a great, blessed, and awesome day, man. Have y'all been picking up anything off of the apps lately, man? Let me know. Also, let me know that anybody hit on those Royals, man. Did y'all hit on those Game Royal or Royal Toads, whatever they want to call them, those ones that recently shock dropped? Of course, I took an L on it. I tell y'all, I always take L's on sneakers app, but it was partially my fault because I overslept. By the time I woke up, I had access, but it said sold out. And the reason why I was sleeping is because, you know, I had worked late that night, got in, slept in, and missed it. But hopefully I still should have an early pair, so fingers crossed on that one, y'all. But anyway, opening up the box, what we got? What is this? What is this? Sold out instantly, man. Enough with the waiting, man. My box is kind of dirty. I don't know what they've been doing, but we gonna fix that with a little bit of Lysol disinfecting wipes. Taking out the box from the box. And when I show y'all, hold on, let me show y'all this, the top of the box first. Bam. Y'all see my light kinda, but it is a Nike box. As you can see, it's white, but it does have Nike written on it, as you can kind of see there. But let me wipe it down real quick with some disinfectant wipes, and then let y'all know what I got here. So yes, y'all, hey, y'all want to make sure everything that y'all are getting from these apps, man, or anywhere like that, bro, y'all want to get y'all some disinfectant wipes, some Lysol wipes, or whatever y'all got that kills 99.9% of germs, and wipe them boxes down, man, because yes, that virus is still alive, it's still out there, it's not 100% cleaned up yet. So, and it's crazy they opening up everything. I'll be talking about this a lot in my recent videos, but I'm gonna talk about it some more because it is a reality of what is currently going on. But yes, wipe down that box real nice. Got that wiped down, and y'all probably already seen the side of the box. Some of y'all may know. Some of y'all may know, and some of y'all are still clueless. But just by looking at the side of the box, some of y'all may know. Some of y'all might have it in y'all collection. But taking a look at it, bam! This is what the side of the box looks like. Go ahead, man. Don't fast forward. Drop it down in the comment box. Keep it 100. That don't tell me after I told y'all what it is. Go ahead and do that right now. Drop it down in the comment box what you think these are. But yes, y'all, as I said, Nike box, different type of Nike box, white box on these. Taking a look at the size tag, it reads Air Max 1 Para. So yes, this is a dope para shoes. You feel me? But yeah, man, size 9, your boy size. The color blocking on this one is white multicolor. So yes, multicolor. What is it? I need to wipe it down some more because I don't like my box being dirty, as y'all can see. So I'm gonna take some more disinfectant wipes here real quick, and we're gonna open it up. Yes, let's check it out, y'all. Let's see what we got. So it is a slide box. So once we open that, slide it out. We do have white shoe paper right there on the top. And moment of truth, man. Y'all ready for it? Bang! Yes. Yes and yes again, man. Let me go ahead and get these things out. Get them out. Ooh, yes. Very clean, very clean. Let me set that right there. Very clean, boy. Very clean. But give me 1 second. Let me get my presentation right, y'all. 1 second. All right, y'all. We back, man. Y'all see I got a box up here. Y'all already see it. We gotta get the presentation right, man. But bang! There we have them, bro. We got the Air Max 1 Para. So yes, your boy had to go back, travel back in that time machine, 2018, and pick these things up. Summertime is approaching, and you know, hey, who knows? Are we gonna have a summer this year? Is there going to be a summer 2020 to say, because of all this craziness going down? But yes, I'm gonna wipe it down, you know, as I talk to y'all real quick, because I'm telling y'all need to wipe down everything that y'all get. I heard something about StockX. You know, a lot of their employees being infected with COVID-19. That's why a lot of their orders are being delayed and all that stuff. I don't know how true it is, man, but that's what I heard. So I don't know if these people are dealing with this stuff, you know, coughing on it, doing whatever, man. That could be spread around, brought right into your home, man. So y'all need to make sure that y'all clean up your shoes and protect yourselves, man. But yes, yes, and yes again, dog. Your boy got these in the collection, man. Taking a look at it, y'all. As a matter of fact, let me come out these gloves now before I spread it right back onto the shoes. Trash. Bam. Taking a look at them, y'all. Dope, man. You got your Air Max 90 midsole on these. Air Max, I keep calling it 90. Air Max 1 midsole, as well as your Air Max 1 outsole on these. Your navy blue, your light blue, your pink, as well as your red. And you do got that red air system in there. It is kind of getting a little bit of a fogness to it, you know, I guess from the age, I don't know. But moving up from that, man, you got this decorative upsole. You do got this pattern here with the stripes on your front half. Pink Nike swoosh, as you can see. And moving on from that, you do got your navy blue with your polka dots in it. And as well on the back here, you got your pink and purple contrast with those lines and that Nike Air on the back. Moving on to the medial side, you do got your gray side panel here, blue Nike swoosh. Front half, we got that meshing all along the front meshing area. It is not translucent, although it would have been dope, you know what I'm saying, but it's dope just the way it is. Don't have no translucent, just a white front area, mesh area there. You got a hidden mesh right here as well on the side. Blue Nike swoosh on that side. Taking a look at the laces, they come with white laces, but I see several different ideas for laces with these shoes. We'll probably get into that in another video, but they do have these striped candy cane type, you know, stripes on them in navy blue. You do got that Nike Air on the tongue, and it says AIRMAX. Your lace hole at the top, that is orange, so dope little hitter there. So you got quite a few different colors on this shoe. And taking a look at the inside of these, you do get this type of shoe paper inside of it, and it does have that design, the same design that's on the box. It goes into the insole, so those same designs that were on the side is on the insole, and it does have those stripes at the bottom with Nike Air and your sizing sticker or whatever. That's not a sizing sticker, but your shoe sticker, whatever that is, man. Taking a look at the sizing tag on these were manufactured from February 2018 through April of 2018. So quick look at the sizing tag there, and behind the tongue you do get that candy cane stripe in red. So dope shoes in my opinion, man. I had to go back and get these. I had my eyes set on these AIRMAX ones for a minute, and it was just the perfect time for me to get them. You know, things are kind of slow right now. So I was like, let me go ahead and grab them, man, right now while, you know, I'm kind of chilling out. I'm not picking up no new releases or anything. Speaking of new releases, I got quite a few coming to the channel. So y'all stay tuned, man. We about to get back on schedule, on feet, as well as early reviews coming. So, yo, man, this ain't going to be an on feet on these today, but I will be doing an on feet as well as lace swap on these. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. And yes, man, the AIRMAX 1 Paras are in the collection. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinion on this shoe. Do you own them? Like, you know, let me know, man. And yeah, that'll do it for this video, man. Y'all stay blessed until my next one. Your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy is checking out, as I said, with the AIRMAX 1 Paras. So till my next one, y'all, I am gone. Thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.